In this video, we are going to be conquering significant figures within a problem if we're adding or subtracting and multiplying and dividing. So in addition and subtraction, we are looking at the part of the number beyond the decimal point. So we have 91.13, so we're looking at these two numbers. And then we have 0.6434, so we're looking at these numbers here. So when we count the numbers past the decimal in the first number, we have two significant figures. When we count these numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer can only have two past the decimal. So when we put this in our calculator, 91.13 plus 0.6434, we get this, 91.7734. Because of the rules of significant figures, I cannot keep the 3 and the 4, so these have to go. Because this was a 3 and not a 5, I keep the 7 as it is. So my answer is 91.77. All right, our next one. We have 354.636 plus 50.8. So in the calculator, we have 405.436. So when I look at my numbers past the decimal, I've got 3 past the decimal here, and I have 1 here. So I can only keep 1. So I can only keep this 4. So I look at the number next to it, and it's a 3. So I do not round up. It's 1405.4, and that is my answer. In multiplication and division, the rules for significant figures are a little bit different. So we look at the whole number. So in our first number, we have 3 significant figures. And in our second number, we have 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So our answer can only have 3. So when we put this in the calculator, we get 190.232. So our answer can only have 3 significant figures. So we look at our number, our answer. We got to look at this 0 here and then the number next to it. So the number next to it is a 2, which means we do not round up. So our answer is going to be 190. And we drop the rest. In our second problem, we have multiplication and division. So we've got 54.36 times 0.0023, and then we're going to divide that by 5.23. So our answer is 0.0239059. Oops, I don't know why I wanted to. 7, probably because the next number was a 2. Okay, so I look at all my significant figures. My first number, I have 4. My second number, I have 1, 2. And my third number, I have 3. So my answer can only have 2 significant figures. That means 3 is my second one. I look at the 9. Do I round it up? Yes. So I have 0.024. And that is my answer.